Hi everyone, this is an accordion watercolor book of mine that we will be touring today. It's from the month of May in 2018 and just some random things that I felt like painting. I don't get real caught up in the rules or perfection because I just do this for my own enjoyment. I hope you get some ideas or inspiration so that you can do something like this in the future. In the description below, there are links to my other book tours and to a how-to video for how to make these accordion books.